Microsoft Azure has categorized its service offerings into various segments. Examples of such segments are compute, storage, SQL, network, IoT, etc. These segments have various subcomponents to offer. For example, compute has to offer images, snapshots, virtual machines, and storage has to offer storage accounts, blobs, files, tables, etc. Now, remember that the top category in this case is called as resource provider, and its subcategories are called as resource types. Each resource provider offers a set of resources and operations for working with an Azure service. For example, if you want to store keys and secrets, you work with Microsoft.KeyVault, which will then be your resource provider. Now, this resource provider will offer a resource type called as vaults for creating the key vault. Before getting started with deploying your resources, you should gain an understanding of the available resource providers. Knowing the names of the resource providers and resources helps to define the resources you want to deploy to Azure. So the name of resource type is of the format resource-provider, which can be compute, storage, or SQL, and then slash resource type, which will be depending on what the resource provider is. If it is compute, then it will be images, snapshots, or virtual machines. So that will be what type of services your resource provider is providing.